Magandang umaga mga kaibigan. This is Edna from DMAX Investment Partners. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Metropolis Greens, Manggahan, General Trias, Cavite. Alam nyo, I lived here for 12 years, so very sentimental sa akin bumalik dito. And I would like to offer you this lot. Katapatan siya ng side ng clubhouse ng Metropolis. And nandito siya sa main road sa Metropolis Drive. So if you are looking for a place to build your home or an investment, or if you have kids who are going to high school or college, pwede silang mag-aral dito sa Lyceum of the Philippines, Cavite, try checking out this lot. It's sold at a very reasonable price, and I'm sure magugustuhan nyo tumuna dito. Very quiet, malapit sa mga establishments, restaurants, churches, and also very peaceful ang community. So again, this is Edna. Contact me at 0927-043-0115 for more details. Buy this lot now.